would be very easy for them to say, sorry, tough luck, just get it off the truck. And if they were to do that to me, I would put them on the naughty list, and I wouldn't haul freight for them for a while. Alright, it is Wednesday afternoon, and I delivered my little conveyor belt over in Russellville, Kentucky. And I took a load out of Louisville, Kentucky, going up to Davenport, Iowa. And I thought I could get up there tonight about 8 o'clock. And it is icy, snowy up in Louisville right now. And it's heading this way. So from right here, it's a little over 100 miles up to Louisville. And I made a decision that I would not go over there loaded tonight, because I do not want to go up into Louisville in all the ice in the dark at nighttime. And I made some people mad. But, and I also come out of Russellville, I'm on Highway 431. And I must have picked the crookedest road there is. I'm trying to get up to the Western Kentucky Parkway. Then I'll get on the Western Kentucky Parkway, take that over to Elizabethtown, and get on 65 and go north. But I use Google Maps to look at the traffic. Click on the traffic button and it'll show you where traffic is slowed down. And all around Louisville is a mess. And I'm empty. So I do not want to take a chance. So my plan was, though, I was going to load it tonight, take off tomorrow, be up in Davenport on Friday. But the agent says, well, you can just get on over there. I said, well, that's not the point. The point is, it's icy, or going to be icy. I don't want to go into where the mess is at. There's no need for me to go get into a mess. And like I said, this was a bad choice. I picked the crookedest road to go down. I literally got one wheel on the white line and one wheel on the yellow line. So another option I had coming out of Russellville was to run over to Bowling Green and get on 165 that way, or get on 65. But this way looks shorter. I don't know if it's quicker, but it looks shorter. I woke up this morning up in Mount Vernon, Illinois, and it had snowed last night, and the roads were a little bit icy, snowy, and I just sat it out a little bit. I can deal with snow. I don't like ice. So Katie's supposed to be working on changing my appointment, but the agent was a little upset. But there ain't nothing you can do about the ice, the weather. So probably not going to take much for all this to freeze up. Now, one thing I do miss from the other truck, this one, is the other truck did have a little temperature gauge on it for the outside temperature, and that did come in handy. Now, I've only had to pass a couple trucks on here. It's a tight squeeze. You hope he stays in his lane, and he hopes I stay in my lane. Generator's doing good. I ran it all last night. It was cold last night, but my little heater, they kept it about 70, 71 in here. School zone. Don't look like anybody's at school, but we are doing the 45 miles an hour. That conveyor belt I delivered, I called the customer this morning, and he didn't realize how big it was, and he said, come on over, we'll figure it out. So I showed up about 1 o'clock, and they were nice people. Showed up about 1, and they wanted me to go to another facility, which was only a couple miles away. So I got over to the other facility, untarped and everything. And then they were like, well, we want to go somewhere, we want you to take it somewhere else. And I was like, alright. So I'm not going to argue with the customer. I just call Mercer, Katie, and say, hey, this is what's going on. And Katie says, well, let me make some phone calls. I'm going to do what the customer wants me to do. What I want to do is, or what I want is, I just want to be compensated for my time. Because I did what I was supposed to do, deliver it to the address on the paperwork. Any more than that is more than what is requested of me. So anyway, the agent was nice to me. Gave me a little bit more money for my inconvenience, which I thought was nice. Sometimes it's not a matter of the amount of money they give you. It's just that the fact that they are willing to give you some money for your inconvenience. It would be very easy for them to say, sorry, tough luck, just get it off the truck. And if they were to do that to me, I would put them on the naughty list, and I wouldn't haul freight for them for a while. But this guy was nice, took care of me. Trying to get to is a little truck stop over here on the Western Kentucky Parkway. I've camped out over there before. It's nothing spectacular, but they got parking. The other option is to drive over towards Elizabethtown, Kentucky. There is a Love's. And then once you get on 65 over by Elizabethtown, there's another pilot. The problem is, as the weather starts getting worse, parking starts to get less and less. And as you see, it's starting to rain now. Take too much just to freeze up. Okay, we made it over here to this little tiny truck stop here. They got parking. There's a dirt lot in the back if you look in the mirror there. But we got us a pretty good parking spot here. Shoot straight out. Here, look, I don't know if this will show up. Let's see here. We're in Beaver Dam, Kentucky. And if you look at that, it's got a 90% chance of snow within the next hour. So it's going to get nasty here in a bit. So we're going to sit it out. Katie called the agent, and they're going to change my appointment. They don't have anything for tomorrow. So I think they might just be punishing me though. But she said they don't have anything for tomorrow, and I have to load it on Friday, and then take it. We're going up to Davenport, which is fine as long as we load it on Friday. It's only 700 miles, and I think the weather is supposed to be. It's going to be cold, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. I'm checking the weather out real quick in Louisville. Yeah, it's not, they're not expecting any rain or anything like that, or snow in Louisville. So once we get past all this, so it should be all right. Other than that, today went okay. So we'll just wait it out. All right, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.